Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So, do you like this crown that I have made for my Durga idol? So, if you want to make this too, just follow the steps that I will show in this video. It's quite easy. Hope you will like this video. So, if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and do share with your friends. So I have first just bifolded this art paper and make the basic drawing. Okay, so you can see this is a simpler drawing as there are several nice designs you can make. Whatever, this is up to you. Whatever you want to make, you can do this, but I am making a simpler version of this so that you can, all of you can make this at your home. Now inside this base you don't have to draw much designs because there will be the workings of golden art paper, or you can say golden wrappers, gift wrappers that will hide that. So just keep that base. Okay, now I will cut this piece out from this art paper. Okay, just follow the outlines and it will come out nicely. So I have cut that, and now the designs, the intricate designs, will be cut out from this larger piece. Actually I want two set of crowns for my Lakshmi and Saraswati idols, so I have made two of this. Now this will for the crown part, that was for the base part, and this is I'm drawing the crown part. Okay, look, I am doing this also in bifold art paper so that the half work can be done for the full. Okay, now I am cutting it out and it has come out nicely. Just keep in mind that this is the basic part, okay, on which we have to paste the glittering golden art paper, so the base will look like this. As the mukut was looking quite vacant, you saw that. That's why I have thought to make or to add some more designs to it. That's why I have drawn this part. Okay, so that it will look nice. Now keep one thing in your mind, that these are artistic things. Okay, and however or whatever designs you want, you can obviously add to that, and obviously that will enhance the beauty of this piece. No, so I'm just cutting it out, and while using the scissors, please be safe and don't let the children do it in your home without your presence. Now this will look like that. Now this pink color portion is made with the help of thermocol. I have just painted it pink and used the pink colored mica on it. Okay, now I am pasting this yellow art paper with that glittering golden wrapper on this golden art paper, just to make the base hard enough. That's why I have used this art paper, otherwise the golden art paper will obviously work. So now this will look like that because I have used the lace by along the edges, and I have also stick that pink color thermocol in the middle, and I have circled it, or along its circumference I have used this golden thread, golden thicker thread, and the wider laces too, wider and the thinner laces, obviously both of these I have used in this. And then to fill up the vacant places, that is left vacant, I will use the sequence here, the blue colored sequence. Okay, so I'm now pasting this sequence. These are glittering sequence, and for this it will look nice. All of these things are done with the help of Calicol. Okay, Calicol is a type of sticker glue. So at last it will look like this. It is the crown part. Now we will make the base. Okay, for this we are just applying glue, and now you have to cut the edges, and it will look like this. On this we have to add different designs like that. If you want to know how to make these designs, this is very much easy. I have just cut the art paper as the design is, and just added and or pasted this coloring or glittering papers on this. In Bangla we say this rangta kagoj. Okay, rangta paper. So I have also decorated these designs with golden threads, and now I am pasting the narrower or the thinner lace along the bottom line, and now the thinner golden thread is pasted on the upper edge, and this will give it a prominence. That's why I have used this. Okay, now I have also pasted the wider laces, and this will look like this after pasting these designs. In the middle I have just pasted the green color, and on the sides the pink ones, and this will look like that. So now this will look like that, and we will obviously add the feather from the peacock's feather, just to enhance its glory, its beauty. So I have added some more designs I have already mentioned before, and this is made also through the same way, with the help of the laces, the thinner laces and the designs. And this will look like that. I'm just pasting it. It's a bit tough. Hope you are liking this. Please subscribe to my channel, and please share this with your friends or near ones. And the final look is here before you. So please comment below if you have liked it or not. Thank you.